So let's go out and see what happened overnight. We are in Virginia, USA, month January 26, and we have a big snowstorm. I'm going to show you what I see. This is my front. Yesterday I had cleaned up quite a lot of snow, around like 10 inches, and then we had a little bit more snow fell, and this is how I'm seeing myself. It's quite icy right now. I have to be very careful. It's solid now, right now. See, I'm walking on that and it's solid. So this is the way down. It's totally solid, ice. So temperature is in like -5 Celsius, around like 19 Fahrenheit something. See, it's not going down. So it's totally ice. And if I see this one, see, this one went down. And look at this. That is what I am seeing. And when I am walking on this, this is not going down, not depressing. So means I have to be very careful. And look at that. That is the roof. It's totally full. My car is completely, see, it's totally ice. Look at this. So if I have to drive, to clean this. It's cold. And look at the view. This is near Washington, D.C. And look at this. This is the road we take. That is another truck. They go all the way up. So we did clean this thing a little bit. Oh, I'm feeling cold. Let me zip up. Okay. So we did clean this thing yesterday and it goes all the way to the circle. I will take it to you there and show what is going on there. So no car has gone yet. And this is the center that I did not clean. And the car will go around. There are some animals that has gone. This is how it is looking. And trees have no leaf left. All the leaves are gone. And in spring they will come back. Enjoy. White layer, complete white layer, and the road that I take. If I come here, my wheels will spin because this is totally ice. This is ice. This has become ice. And this is snow. Look. See how it broke? That means it's becoming ice. Solid ice. Did not depress. See? I put full force. Go down. Oh, it's cold. And this is my another car. I did clean up a little bit, but on the roof, there's still a lot of snow. Look at that other car. I did bring up wipers so that it should not stuck. I can clean a little bit, but this is how I can go out. It's totally in the ice. Oh man, it's cold. This is the road that I built. Cleared up the snow a little bit. And here, there's another car. Completely in the snow. This is the circle. This kind of snow that came, nothing melted. See, they have built up a mountain here. It's a mountain. How we can go out? Our cars cannot go out from here. You need 4x4 mailbox. Look at the mountain. And that is the road that we take. These are the houses we have connecting road. So 3 houses there. Like this winter, this is the first snowstorm that we got. And the first one came with like 12 inches almost. We were expecting 24 inches, but it did not happen. Look at that. Cars are totally full. They have to be cleared. Little bit sun is coming. But if you stay out for some time, hands will freeze. It's total ice. See, I'm walking and nothing pressed like this. See, it's like a powdery. It's a slush. You can say like crushed up ice, not like snow. Cold, cold, cold. So what we do is we cannot clean the snow with the shovel. We have snow blowers which blows the snow onto the side like I have done. This is perfect for snow sledding, like come from the top, but the kind of cold is too much. You have to wear gloves and proper attire, but still your face will freeze. So I will be going inside. Can't stay out for long. And this kind of ice, see, this is ice. So on this one, 4x4 cars may work, but I don't know. We will be waiting for some time for good weather. So this ice melt a little bit, and we are going to put a lot of ice, a lot of chemical, or it's called some kind of made of salt, but not regular salt. So they mix a lot of things, and that maybe bad for nature, but that is the only alternate than slipping and falling. Look at that. Still, there is no way I can go there. I will try and show you. This thing. This way. Look at that. This is totally ice. Oh. It's going down. It's like soft little bit and it's going down. See. Oh, I'm falling inside. That one is deep also. So it's like afternoon and one whole day, night, snow fell. So I will be cleaning up this snow very soon, otherwise it will become ice. And I will show you that also. Okay, that's all from me for this winter, this snowstorm in Virginia, near Washington, D.C. Enjoy. Stay warm. I'll see you again. Keep watching Happy Ash Adventures.